Miele's MasterCool series is the brand's most focused expression of luxury refrigeration. These are built for scale, precision, and long-term reliability, backed by generations of building luxury appliances. Today, we'll be focusing on the MasterCool integrated refrigeration columns. We'll talk about their cooling and functional features, design highlights, and installation, where they stand in the industry, and common questions and key things to keep in mind when thinking about these columns. First, let's jump right into a few of the cooling and functional features of the Miele MasterCool integrated refrigeration columns. If we open it up, right at the top, you can see the DynaCool cooling system. The integrated technology automatically circulates cold air evenly throughout the interior for consistent temperatures. Don't expect fluctuations in temperature anywhere inside this unit. If we creep down a little further, you'll notice the easy-to-use and see MasterSensor touch display. The centralized touch display allows quick, intuitive control of temperature and functions with simple taps, reducing guesswork and making daily adjustments easy and precise. A top highlight has to be the MasterFresh preservation drawers. These independently controlled drawers manage temperature and humidity to optimize freshness for meats, produce, and dairy. The units come equipped with smart capabilities that utilize RemoteVision and Wi-Fi Connect. This enables real-time alerts and diagnostics via the Miele app, with optional RemoteVision service support. Next, let's briefly cover the design highlights of the refrigeration columns. You'll be able to see clearly inside due to the BrilliantLight LED array. The lighting is fully integrated overhead, and side lighting provides bright, even illumination with no shadowed zones. A very popular feature in modern kitchens today is the use of push-to-open and auto-closing doors. If you have both hands or need a third hand to help, hands-free door operation systems do the trick. It is specifically designed for seamless integration into handleless cabinets. If you don't want to use custom panels, there are CleanTouch stainless steel exteriors available. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish on select models designs to stay smudge-free and easy to clean. The strength of the doors is a big factor for columns. Miele utilizes their MaxLoad hinge. These reinforced hinges are engineered to support heavy, fully loaded doors while maintaining smooth, controlled opening and long-term alignment. Next, let's talk installation. Cabinet panels must be between 3/4 and 1 inch thick. Be mindful that excessive weight or thickness may interfere with the door closing mechanism. It does require a 120 volt 15 amp grounded outlet. Power outlets must be located within reach. 6 feet is the max of the top of the rear unit, never behind the appliance itself. For true flush installation, ensure cabinetry provides a full 24-inch minimum interior depth, at least 84 inches of vertical clearance. Allow for door swing and handle projection when placing near walls or corners. And when placing two MasterCool units, use the side-by-side kit to stabilize the joined units and prevent condensation buildup. A heater kit may be also required for installations in humid environments or on exterior walls. So, who is the target buyer for Miele column refrigeration? It's somebody who wants a refrigerator that matches premium cabinetry, prioritizes food preservation, and expects an ultra-premium material and engineering. And somebody who likely values design discretion, prefers integration, quiet luxury over bold branding, or somebody that already owns or is considering other Miele appliances and wants that performance and consistency across all its categories. Next is the core positioning of the brand. Miele's MasterCool platform is engineered for preservation, not just presentation. Everything from airflow to storage units is calibrated for food longevity. Unlike other column systems, Miele's internal components are built in-house and backed by an unmatched legacy of German precision and quiet performance. For buyers who care about long-term ownership and reliability, Miele's seamless design hides a tech-forward system that performs silently and is dependable for decades. Questions and objections are a common part of shopping for new appliances. Some questions could be, maybe Miele isn't well known in terms of refrigeration, but Miele builds its own cooling systems from the ground up, including compressors. This isn't relabeled OEM. The looks may be minimal inside, but that's by design. Every inch is optimized for air circulation and food integrity, not flashy displays and technology. And if there's any price concerns, Miele earns its premium with low service rates, long warranties, and silent cooling performance that protects food and cabinetry alike. Before we go, having the right mindset when thinking of Miele MasterCool refrigeration columns is important. This is about future-proof luxury, quiet, seamless, and engineered to perform for decades without needing replacement. When in doubt, open the door. Every touchpoint reinforces the quality, and the clean interior tells a preservation-first story in seconds. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all our future videos.